Hello. All right, my beauties. It is time for another stretch class. You're going to want both your Beyond Band and your Sexy Flexi. We did a lot of upper body, a lot of glutes. We're going to stretch everything out here today. You're going to really love this. This is going to be one of those stretch classes that you're going to want to be back to. So we're going to start just on our knees. Let me make sure I've got all views here. We're going to start back on our knees, about hip distance apart. So you want to feel where your hip bones are. And we're going to come back and then just come back up. So nice stretch out through here. This actually does work the quads as well, the hamstrings, glutes, but it gets a nice stretch in. And I'm going to turn on our little timer. And let's go. Take a deep breath in. And exhale out. Repeat this 5 times. Going a little deeper as you go in. Full breath in. Arms go higher. And exhale. 2 more times. One last time. Excellent. Grab your right wrist behind your back and just bring it up. Bring that belly in tight, chest lifted, shoulders are down. Drop your chin down to your chest. Take that deep breath, hold. Raise it up a little higher if you can. Shoulders around for 2. And grab your other wrist and bring it up. Drop the chin down, belly's in tight, lift the chest. One more deep breath. Bring the shoulders to the front. 4, palms facing. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and grab our Beyond Band, the one with the single hole. Hold it firmly, shoulder distance apart. Come back up overhead, reach, 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 and lean back. Exhale, down to the floor, roll your back. Inhale, rise up. Reach back. Come back over, exhale. One more time, inhale. Deep, deep, deep through the nose, through the throat, through the lungs, into the belly. Hold that breath. Deeper, deeper. And exhale. Hands down. Step forward with your right foot. Press out and curl your toes. Drop it down. So we're pressing those hips down, chest lifted up. Take the knee down, grab behind it, sit up nice and tall. Press those hips forward. And you walk your foot out so you're in a nice 90-degree angle here. Now come up even taller. If you want a bigger stretch, grab it with your other arm. Lift up. Hold. Nice deep breaths in. And release. One more time, deep breath in. And release. Grab your Beyond Band. We're going to come back up, inhale, stretch back. Come up and out to the side over your leg. Those arms are straight. Inhale up. Raise up, raise up, raise up, and lean back. Back up to the top and back over one more time. Good job. Anybody get a little adjustment there? Come back down. Bring the other foot to the front, left foot up. Right foot is back. Press down through those hips. If this is strenuous for you, you can put your hands on a couch or a chair to make it easier. Drop those hips, lift the chest. Stay right there for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the knees in and grab behind you. Whoops. Sit up nice and tall. You can use your Beyond Band to help grab it if you need to. Lift your chest up even higher. Let me open this up a little bit wider. There you go. Lift that chest. Draw your back and shoulders are down and away. Want a bigger stretch? Switch hands. Lift it up. And hold. Stay with that breath. Awesome. Grab your Beyond Band. Shoulders distance apart. Lift up. And sway back. Pull it tight. Inhale. Stretch. Stretch the abdominals. Raise it up. Whoops. Raise it up and go over to the left side. Arms are straight. Get a nice stretch to that oblique on the left. I'm sorry, you're doing the right. Stretch to that right side. And inhale up. Stretch it back. Reach, reach, reach. Deep breath in. And exhale up. Inhale to your left side. And bring it back up. Way to go. Let's go ahead and grab our sexy flexi. back just a smidgen. We're going to go all the way up and around. Stretch out that chest. Open up those arms. Rise it up. Again. Drop the chin down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Look up. Raise that chin up on this one. Keep them far apart. And exhale. And then move on down to our waist. Lay down on your back. Palms are facing up. Cross your right over your left. Tuck it under if you have space. Move it a little closer to the right side and drop it down. Keep the shoulders aligned on the floor. Raise up in through your chest, in through your ribs. Press your belly button back and down and up into your diaphragm. Take a deep breath here and release. Stay, stay. Shoulders are away from the ears. Press everything down and away. Let's bring it back on over. Reorganize your spine. Cross the other leg over. Tuck it if you have space. Bring it over to the left side and drop down to the right. Again, maintaining that left shoulder on the mat. Hold here. Deep breath in and out. Raise up through that rib cage. Bring that belly button in tight and then into your diaphragm. Lift even higher. Maintain that shoulder down. See if you are finding space where your hips drop even more, opening up and loosening that lower back. Excellent. Let's bring it back in center. Grab your Beyond Band. Wrap it on top of your foot. Grab both handles. Right leg drops down, left leg is back. Point and flex. Try and strengthen and lengthen up to the ceiling. Wherever your leg is, whether it's way out there. And if it's too much for you to have a straight leg here, you can take the band and wrap it under here and point and flex. Now just stay in a nice flexation. Feel everything strengthen and lengthen through your calf, your hamstring, your lower back. Small pulses to the head for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold them both in your left hand. Right hand drops down, palm facing down. Open up. Point and flex here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Holding that belly in, cross it over. Arm is down. Small pulses for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, bring it knee in. Give it a little hug. And place that heel down. Let's go to the other leg. Straighten that leg down to the ground. Point and flex. You bring that leg a little closer. Is this leg pressed down into the ground? Press your belly down into the ground. Finding that deep breath. One more time. And we're going to do some small pulses, flexing that foot. Squeeze it back. Both handles go into the right side, left palm facing up. Drop it down. Nice deep breaths here. Small pulses, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend that knee. And we're going to go on over to the other side. Strengthen and lengthen. Press it out. Nice deep breaths. Keep that belly button tight. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. And invite everybody to come down into a child's pose. We'll finish it off with a nice deep breath. If you have bad knee like I do, I have no meniscus in my knee, it's easier to take a wider step with your hips and turn your toes facing in, and then walk yourself down. Drop your head down to the ground and just meditate with a nice deep breath. Message yourself into clarity. Remove any negativity. Think about all positive vibes. What do you want for today? How can you create the best day ever? What does that look like for you? If you haven't illustrated it by writing it out on a piece of paper, that's your sticky note message today. How can I create my best day ever? What does it look like, feel like? What will I be like? All right, my friends. It has been an amazing week. I look forward to next week with you. Create your best day ever.